Reggiani implied that the car would be electrified in some way, but keeping weight down would be crucial. With the new Aventador we must determine what will be the future of the excellent expensive car in conditions of electric contribution. What way to manage the weight coming from electrification, and be able to promise every way to have the DNA of a super sports car, and she said. When I actually asked if a V12 was part of the future, Reggiani didn't spelt words. Yes. About V12, I say, yes, certainly, yes, yes. This individual said emphatically. Meaning whatever comes after the Aventador will likely get a V12 aided by an electric motor or motor. The current Aventador SI 9000 makes 730 horsepower from its 6.5-liter V12. Add power from electric motors and total outcome could reach 1,500 horsepower or more. The Lamborghini Aventador is a technological marvel, with their Formula One-inspired inboard shock absorber, odd, rear-wheel steering, and V12 engine. The stunning supercar dates back to 2011, therefore it is due for replacement fairly soon. We all have reported that 2020 could be the focus-on date for an Aventador successor. By that time, 9 years will have elapsed between generations, and changes in the market could mean changes for the next generation of Lambo's flagship supercar.Lamborghini showed its Urus SPORT Utility Vehicle (SUV) to an American audience for the first time this week on the sidelines of the Detroit Automobile Show. To event, I actually had the possibility to interview the company's research and development director Maurizio Reggiani about various aspects of the brand name. How about that single-clutch transmission that wasn't totally outdated this year but is widely panned today? It is no hassle of a single clutch. That is a problem of what way will we handle and manage what I described before. Weight. For me, everything that contribute to the weight is an enemy, and I also need to decide what is far better to put effort into and what to sacrifice. We are fully with you that a double clutch is a marvelous solution. We have only one problem: additional weight. Despite resting on top of Lambo's supercar selection, the Aventador is not officially